morning everyone. In this class we discuss about the cement concrete used in parapet. Okay. The cement concrete used 1:2:4 bearing code. In previous class we already discussed about the RCC slab bar. In case of main bar, distribution bar, how many numbers of main bar provided, how many numbers of distribution bar provided, what is the length of main bar, what is the length of distribution bar, we already discussed in previous class. In this class we discuss the cement concrete part. The cement concrete 1:2:4 bearing code. Here bearing code is provided 1 numbers, length provided and breadth provided, height provided. First of all, before going through the calculation part, we know about what is bearing. Normally, the bearing code is provided between the parapet wall. In the basis of that, we can consider the length of bearing code and breadth of bearing code in the basis of roadway length. Okay. So first of all, we are going through the figure. Here the longitudinal section on CVEF, we can find out the details of the bearing code. Here the 10 cm bearing code is provided. Also the bearing code also called curve. We can write here the curve. Already here write is curve 10 cm thick. Or the roadway distance is 4 meter. It means length of bearing code distance is 4 meter. Then we go into the breadth part. How can we define the breadth of road? The breadth of road is equal to the bearing code. Okay. Bearing code breadth. So breadth of road, we find out the half sectional elevation, because the road is lies on the abutment. Okay. So here we find out the breadth from this point, from this point to this point, the end of the abutment wall to the opposite end of the abutment wall. Okay. Here we can find out the abutment length. Roadway length. Roadway breadth. Here the dimension is given. The roadway breadth is equal to breadth of the abutment plus distance between the two abutment wall plus breadth of the another abutment. Okay. Then we get the breadth of the roadway. Okay. Now first of all, here the breadth of the wall is provided 40 cm. The distance between the two wall is provided 1.50 meter. Then another wall distance is also 40 cm. So the breadth we get for the body is 40 cm plus 1.50 meter or plus 40 cm. We can write here 1.50 meter to 150 cm. Then we get the value 230 cm, or we can convert it 2.30 meter. It means the roadway width is 2.30 meter. Then we are going through the calculation part. Here the number of is equal to 1. Cement concrete bearing code number is 1. Length is 4.800. 4.00. It is equal to the bearing equal to the roadway length. The breadth is 2.30. It is also equal to the roadway breadth, and the height is 0.10. It is already mentioned in the diagram, 10 cm thick bearing code. So here height is 0.10. Then after the multiplication of number into length into breadth into height, then we get the quantity 0.90 cubic, because the unit is here meter. So meter, then we get the unit is cubic. Okay. Then after that we going the cement pointing 1:2 in bulk. Cement plastering is also called cement plastering. The 1:2 means what? The 1:2 means 1 is amount of cement and 2 times of sand. 2 times sand. Yeah. Suppose the one bag cement we added, then 2 bags sand we added in this composition of 1:2. Okay. So first of all, the cement pointing or cement plastering is provided in the wall. Normally facial case is provided. After that, the inner side of parapet also provided. Then corner rails, top width, outer edge is provided. Okay. Then end of parapet and end of coping also provided. So first of all, we going through the face wall part. Here the face wall part. Here the face wall is defined. How we define the face wall? What is the face wall of apartment? Here the face wall of apartment. Here we can define from longitudinal section, or we can define from half sectional elevation. The face wall of apartment is that it is the face wall of apartment. We can define from the half sectional elevation. The face wall is considered from cement concrete to this part. Okay, or we can write here from this point to end of this part. We can consider the face wall. So in case of RCC slab, 2 face wall is provided. It means face of the RCC slab culvert. So 2 face wall is provided. So in case of face wall, we consider the height for below 10 meter below the ground level. So first of all, we calculate the length, then height. In case of plastering, you know plastering units is meter square. In case of plastering, we only consider the area or surface of the wall. Okay, here in the face wall case, the surface of the wall is what? The surface of the wall is the total from this point to this point distance, then to this side. We consider the total surface of wall. It is excluding coping. Doesn't mean including coping. It is excluding coping we consider. Okay. So first of all, the face wall is from this point. First of all, we know that this point to this point distance is 4.70. How can I define? Because the total distance is 4.90. Here 10 cm offset and another side 10 cm offset is the offset is minus, then we get the length is 4.70. Okay, the wall to wall distance is 4.70. Then height is what? In case of height, we consider 10 cm below ground level. So from 10 cm to the ground level question is here. 10 cm below ground level, 10 cm below, 10 cm plus 1.30 meter plus 20 meter roadway plus here 60 centimeter. But here 60 centimeter is what? 60 centimeter is including coping. But we not included the coping part. We going through the only from the bottom below the 10 centimeter below ground level to the parapet. Okay. So first of all, we just subtract the 10 centimeter for coping. Then we get the height is 50 centimeter. From the roadway to parapet wall, the height is 50 centimeter. Okay. So 50 centimeter plus road distance 20 centimeter plus here 1.30 meter, we can write here 130 centimeter, or below ground level 10 centimeter we consider in case of plastering. Okay, so the total distance is how much? The total distance is 2.10 meter. Then how can we get height? How can we get? Height is equal to, you can write here, height is equal to 10 centimeter below ground level. For below ground level 10 centimeter plus 130 centimeter height plus 20 centimeter for roadway plus 50 centimeter for parapet one. Then we get the quantity 2.10. Okay. So length is 4.70. Where are we getting it? From outer to outer wall distance 4.70. And then breadth we cannot consider in case of plastering. Height we consider. Height is 2.10. How many numbers? 2 numbers. Okay. Fine. Then we multiply 2 into 4.70 into 2.10 is equal to, then we get the value 19.74. Okay. This is the total quantity of the cement pointing. Then we going to the part inner side of parapet excluding coping. What do you mean by inner side of parapet excluding coping? After we consider the parapet section, okay, after we considering the parapet section of outer side, which means in case of face wall, we consider the only face portion, but in opposite side of parapet wall is located from the road. Okay, this part it is known as the inner side of parapet, which we can see from the road. Okay, road side. So of the parapet we consider as the inner side of parapet. It is also 2 numbers. Okay, so here the inner side of parapet is 2 numbers. So how much is length? Length is equal to the face wall 4.70. Then how can we get the quantity? Then inner side of parapet 1 we consider first from the car point to the parapet wall ending. We cannot consider the coping part. Okay, so from the end of the slab, RCC slab to the parapet height. Okay, and the RCC slab, after the RCC slab, what is the distance provided? The inner side of parapet was what? This person is considered as inner side of parapet. Inner side of parapet. Okay. So here the distance is 20 centimeter plus 40 to 30 centimeter while offset is 10. Then after that, from this point to parapet distance is how much? Total 60 including coping. Then we subtract the value of coping 10 centimeter. Then we get the 30 centimeter wall height. How much? 50 centimeter. Then 50 centimeter plus 30 for 30 centimeter wall height. Then plus 10 centimeter for what? For offset of wall. Then 20 centimeter height. Then we get the total height of the inner side of parapet. It is the inner side of parapet. Okay. So how many numbers of inner side? 2 numbers. This one and this one. Length is how much? Length is equal to the face wall. Okay. Length is equal to the face wall. So length is 4.70. Okay. 4.70. Then after that, here we can consider the length is 4.70. Then height is 0.80. But the first from the slab to the 40 centimeter wall distance plus 30 to 40 wall offset 10 centimeter plus 50